Hello everyone, this is Frank again, and today we're gonna learn how to draw Boyfriend from the game Friday Night Funkin'. So we're gonna start with a tilted line, like this, and then we're gonna draw his cheek like a very extended letter C, like this, and then it's gonna go upwards. So when you get to this point, you just have to draw another tilted line like this one. It's gonna go in the opposite direction of the first one we had drawn, and then we're gonna draw a diagonal line to the left, and we're gonna connect to have the basic shape for his head. So just in order to help me, I'm gonna mark the central line here, and to draw his body, it's gonna be like a box. The first line is gonna be close to the central line I had drawn for the head, and his stomach is gonna be forwards, like this. After that, I'm gonna have to draw the knee. It's just two lines at a 90-degree angle coming from here, and then I'm gonna start making the shape for his feet. So he's got big feet. Well, don't worry if the drawing is a little bent. It doesn't have to be perfect. This foot is just gonna be a horseshoe like this. Alright, so I'm gonna make some more details here, showing that the shoe is opening, the sneaker is opening. Now I'm gonna connect it to the t-shirt, and from this point here, from the knee, I'm going to draw a rectangle because it's gonna indicate the shape for his hand. And if you enjoy our content and you're not subscribed, don't forget to do so. Just click the button, and if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I'm really happy to have you here. Well, for his microphone, I'm just gonna draw a couple of lines here, and then two curved lines connecting them, and then a circle for the top of the microphone. So this is his arm, and we're gonna connect it to the body with his sleeve. So his other sleeve is just gonna be an inverted letter S with a pointy shape, and then his arm is gonna come from the sleeve connecting to the pocket. So his jeans pocket is just gonna be a couple of zigzag lines connecting to very close to the shoe, like this. We're gonna come back to his jeans and shoes in a moment. So I found that the best solution to start drawing his head is to find a place where his cap starts. So it's gonna come from here. Let me connect the top, and from this point where the lines meet, I'm just going to draw a descending line like this. His ear is just gonna be a triangle inside another triangle. Then I just draw the back of his cap. So this line is just like gonna be an extension of his cheek, so very close to it at least. Then I'm gonna draw a giant V from here, two straight lines that are going to represent his eyebrows, and his eyes are gonna be two interrupted ovals. It's gonna have a very simple smile. Just these four lines. Then we're gonna start drawing his hair. For his hair, we just have to do straight lines and pointy shapes. Everything is gonna be very triangular about his hair. Just follow my lead. Well, his hair is gonna be no secret. And then there's going to be this last pointed shape, and we're going to connect it with a curved line to the first one we had drawn down here. And his shoelaces are just going to be a few teardrops. So these two lines are going to mark his shoe, his first sneaker. And the second one is going to be open here. So from here I'm going to draw a V shape to indicate his hand is in his pocket. It's going to go into the limits of his shoes. And then with a few curved lines, I draw the shoelaces for the other sneaker. Alright, so let me just reinforce the lines for the horseshoe, which is going to be his foot, like this. And for the soles, we're just going to extend and repeat the lines we had drawn before. And I'm going to do the same with the other one. I'm just going to pull a line slightly to the front, and then I'm going to follow the upper lines like this. So a few lines here to indicate the fingers, some zigzag lines to indicate the fist. Now to give some depth to his microphone, I'm gonna draw a few curved lines upwards following the shape of the sphere, and then I'm gonna cross these lines with horizontal ones, also curved ones. So now I'm quite satisfied with the sketch. It's time to get a liner and let's reinforce the lines. Now I'm gonna erase all the pencil lines except for the sign on his t-shirt. I'm just going to leave it very lightly, very faint, so that you can barely see it. It's gonna help me when I come here with my red pencil to draw the sign. I decided to use colored pencils for this drawing, but you can use whatever medium you're most comfortable with. If you want to use felt tip pens or paints, feel free. And here I just used the very faint lines I had left on his t-shirt to draw his sign. Boyfriend is ready for his rap battles. If you have watched this video up to this point, thank you very much. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. That's very important for us. And I hope to see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.